Here's Bean. Throws it left side. He's got a receiver out there. Tyler makes a catch, 35, gets a block. He's gone. Tyler, 10, 5, touchdown, 60-yard strike to Tyler, DeMarcus Tyler. And how about that, folks? Hold the phone, as they say. Hold the phone. It's 34-27.
I'll tell you what, I mean, the stars are lining up for Henry Clay. They sit there and they really shot themselves in the foot a lot of times. They're trying to get on track with their offensive line. That time, Bean takes the ball and throws it up, and it was a great job of going up and getting the football and just shaking one tackle, and the rest was just pure speed.
Here comes Evan Works, and we've got ourselves a football game here now, folks, with 8:24 to play.
Big extra point.
This extra point would cut it to 6 for Clay. Works' kick is up, and it is a beauty. 8:24 to play, and on a 60-yard strike from Bean to DeMarcus Tyler down the near sideline, he took it to the house. It's 34-28. Lexington Henry Clay will return on the